little while. I had to take a break from the social media stuff. To be honest with you, there was just too much I didn't really care to listen to. Anyhow, that's why I haven't been on Facebook. That's why I haven't been on YouTube very much. I just took a break from all of it, to be honest with you. Took some me time, did some other things. I did make a video with the cart that I built on the previous video that I have. But come to find out, my new camera that was mounted on Mrs. Parts and Pieces mower did not like the SD card I guess I had in it. So it did not save the whole hour and 45 minutes I had of that ride. The one I had on ratchet, I got a little bit, but to be honest with you, I was having issues with him. I thought it was the motor. It wasn't. It was the belt that was stretched out and binding up the motor and killing it. It took me a minute to figure that one out, but that's what I figured out. So I have very little video on there because I was irritated through most of it with my issue I was dealing with. So I'll try to get some of that for you. Right now I'm headed out to a buddy's. He has a Polaris Ranger. That's what it is, Polaris Ranger 900. He needs the front boot changed on it. I think it's the front boot. One of the boots has a rip in it. So I'm headed over there right now to try to help him get this problem solved and get the boot changed on the front of it. To be honest with you, I've never mess with any of the Rangers before. This one's a new one for me, so bear with me. It ain't gonna be probably done professionally, but it'll be done right. But all right, guys. Well, like I said, I'm gonna be over here in a minute. I hope y'all enjoyed the little video. I'll get some more ride videos coming, but like I said, stay tuned for this little video. I'll be with y'all here in a little while. Peace out. Alright everybody, this is the Polaris Ranger 900 that I told you I was going to fix the boot on. Alright, this is exactly what I'm talking about. The boot itself is just tore. So we are fixing to take all this off and replace that boot with this one. So something a little different. Got all my tools ready, torque wrench, everything else I probably don't need, but to be honest with you, it's the first time I've done this on a Ranger anyway, so new to me. Let's see what happens. Y'all stay tuned.
It almost sounds like air, like a whistle when you get back in there.